Hello and welcome to Behind the Boot. Hope you're having a great day wherever you are. Our bus is still broken, so we thought that we would come to the West Edmonton Mall and go skating. So we're having a team skate. This is Dan. He does all of our sound for us. This is Andrea. She's doing merch. There's Mo down there. Won't tell you what she does, but it starts with a C. And this is Tom. And Tom has come all the way from England, and he is just learning how to skate. Check it out. How's it going, Tom?
Not very well.
He's actually gotten significantly better since we first started. We're all very impressed. And who knows, we might be in Edmonton for another couple weeks, so we're gonna get really good. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Oh yeah, and Splash has gone to go get the bus cart.